Your mindset plays a powerful role in shaping the way you see challenges and opportunities. When you accept mistakes as part of learning, you become stronger and more confident. Growth happens when you are willing to try, fail, and try again without fear. Changing the way you think can completely transform the way you live your life. A curious mind will always find new ways to grow and improve. You cannot grow if you stay in the same place and avoid new experiences. The more you learn, the more you realize how much there is still to discover. Developing a positive mindset requires practice, patience, and self-awareness. When you face difficulties with courage, you build a stronger character. Every challenge you overcome adds to your personal growth and confidence. Success does not come overnight. It is the result of consistent effort, patience, and a strong belief in yourself. If you keep working on your goals every day, even in small steps, you will eventually see real progress. The difference between success and failure is often the courage to continue when things become difficult. You don't need to be perfect to succeed, but you do need to be persistent and determined. Every successful person started with doubts, but they chose to act instead of giving up. When you focus on your goals and ignore distractions, you increase your chances of success. Success grows from discipline and daily habits, not from one moment of motivation. If you believe in your ability to learn and improve, nothing can truly stop your progress. The road to success may be long, but every step you take brings you closer to your goal. Working hard in silence often leads to results that speak louder than words. Stay focused on your goals every day. Good habits create a successful life. Don't stop until you are proud of yourself. Work in silence and let success speak for you. Consistency is more important than perfection. You're stronger than your fears and doubts. Keep going even when things feel hard. Believe that better days are coming. Stay positive and good things will happen. Strength comes from facing your challenges. Never lose hope because anything is possible. Be brave enough to follow your dreams. Difficult times help you grow stronger. You can overcome anything with patience. Stay strong and never give up. Follow your dreams no matter how big they are. You can turn your dreams into reality with action. Believe in your dreams and work for them. Every big success starts with a small step. Your dreams are worth your effort. Take action today to build your future. Nothing is impossible if you truly believe. Stay focused on your goals and keep moving forward. Make your dreams your priority. Time teaches you lessons that no one else can. Listen carefully before you speak. Learn from your past, but don't live in it. Experience is the best teacher in life. Think before you act in every situation. Knowledge grows when you share it with others. Every day teaches you something new. Wise people learn from their mistakes. Understanding others makes you a better person. Life becomes easier when you stay calm and patient. You are enough just the way you are. Believe in yourself and trust your abilities.
Stay focused on your goals every day.
Be alone, that is the secret of invention. Be alone, that is when ideas are born. It's not the love you make, it's the love you give. The present is theirs, the future for which I really worked. is mine. If your hate could be turned into electricity, it would light up the whole world. My method is different. I do not rush into actual work. When I get an idea, I start at once building it up in my imagination. I change the construction, make improvements, and operate the device entirely in my mind. As I review the events of my past life, I realize how subtle are the influences that shape our destinies. We are all one. Only egos, beliefs, and fears separate us. The progressive development of man is vitally dependent on invention. Success comes from small efforts repeated every day. If you keep going, you will get better with time. Hard work always brings good results in the end. Don't wait for the perfect moment. Create it yourself. You can achieve anything if you stay focused. Every day is a new chance to improve yourself. The key to success is to never give up. Start where you are and use what you have. Great things take time, so be patient. Your future depends on what you do today. Happiness comes from appreciating the little things. Enjoy every moment because life is short. Choose happiness even on difficult days. A simple life can be a happy life. Spend time with people who make you smile. Peace begins when you stop worrying too much. Smile more, it makes life brighter. Be thankful for what you have today. You may not have it tomorrow. Life is better when you stay positive. Take time to enjoy the present moment. Discipline helps you reach your goals faster. Success requires effort and strong commitment. Keep working even when you feel tired. The more you practice, the better you become. Hard work beats talent when talent does not work hard.